shower. There's the hose, there's what I would call the power unit. You put it in the bucket, as you'll see in a moment. That's the shower head. That's a little sticky thing to put it onto the wall or wherever you are. Just there. So we're just in there, look. You can see this, what I've done is I've had to take this out, put this into the bucket, hold it down, and hopefully it works. It's not great though, is it? Ah, that's a trick. Don't hold it down, just let it in the bucket and leave it alone. Then you get that. The bucket is now beginning to empty, which is why there's not a lot of water coming out. But the trick is not to hold the thing down, just to let it lay in there. It floats a little bit, but that's it sat in the bucket, if you like. And that's the water coming out, just to prove it does work when you do it right. I did actually start with a full bucket, but as you can see, I've used it all.